It takes you 5 minutes.
Hi guys, what's up? It's your girls Twin Goddesses and I'm Alicia, and I hope you guys are all staying cool because it is hot out here. But anyways, y'all, I wanted to pick up a new unit from Ashimary, but I wanted something a little different. I wanted a really nice brown color, and I think a lot of you guys are going to like this one. So if you guys are interested in this unit or anything that I'm going to be showing you guys throughout the video, definitely check down below in the description area where everything's going to be linked for you. But this time around, I went ahead and I picked up this gorgeous 24-inch curly unit from Ashimary.com. As you guys can see, this gorgeous reddish brownish color, I would say this is around a color number 6. This unit has that pre-cut transparent lace, and it also features their invisible strap 360. I absolutely love these invisible straps because it's so easy and you don't have to glue the back of your unit down. All you do is pull on the tightener and the back of the unit adheres to your head without any glue. I also love the fact that this unit comes with removable combs, so if you want a really flat base, you can either remove or replace those combs. Now here's how my unit came directly out of the box. I'm gonna do some quick styling with this unit. I always lay the hairline, so I'm taking some gel and applying it to the edges of the unit. What I love about this wig is that those edges are pre-plucked and those knots are bleached, but I'm also going to do the same to the back of the unit, just applying a little bit of water and some gel, and then I'm going to take an elastic strap to lay the back as well as the front of this wig. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and style up the curls. I am opting for a wash and go. I choose a wash and go with all curly hair. What I'm going to do is just go through the hair and detangle it and then spray a generous amount of water to the hair. And now I'm going to take my Curls Sea Moss gel and apply it throughout the hair. I really like this for clumping curls. It also works really good on my natural hair. I pick it up from TJ Maxx for the low. I like to use my fingers as well as my Felicia Leatherhead detangling brush. I also like to scrunch the hair to get those curls to clump, and once the hair is dried, we're going to be back to see just how those curls are looking, so stay tuned. Okay, so as you guys can see, those curls are popping. It's all about technique. But this is my Ashimary Invisible Strap 360 lace wig. As I mentioned before, it does include this invisible strap, making it so you don't have to glue this wig down. Now this unit is truly a glueless wig. You can see it does have that elastic band on the inside as well as those removable combs and of course the invisible strap, so you don't have to glue it down. However, I'm gonna glue mine down because I'm gonna be doing some styles with this one. But as I mentioned before, this unit does feature their pre-cut transparent lace. As you guys can tell, mine is coming up a bit light and I'm gonna show you guys what I do to fix it. But first things first, we're going to take a look at that 360. I prefer to tighten mine before I install my wig, so I'm just pulling on that tightener and then I tuck in the straps. Don't forget to tuck in your straps. And then as you can see, voila, it's installed. I didn't have to use any adhesives, any clips, nothing like that. It just kind of adheres to the back of your neck. Now that I have the back of my unit tightened and laid, I'm gonna go ahead and install the front of the unit. I'm gonna be taking my Got2b Blast Freeze Spray and just applying a bit of it along my forehead. I also like to blow dry it down until it gets tacky. You can do that a few times. And now I'm just going to take take that lace and press it into that got to be spray. This is going to give you a good 24-hour hold. You don't have to do the ball cap method. And I also like to melt my unit down by taking my elastic strap and use my blow dryer to further melt my lace down. And while that's setting, I'm just going to take my wax stick and lay the top in the front of my unit. So as you guys can see, my unit is installed. However, the lace is coming up a bit too light for my complexion. So I'm going to first start out by taking my lace tinted spray. I like to spray it on my foundation brush and then apply it. And to set it, I like to use a bit of my foundation powder. I am opting for some baby hairs because I do feel like with this style, as well as the way the lace is, the baby hairs will kind of help it kind of tie together. So I like to section out a bit of the hairs and then trim them down. I'm not cutting off too much of the hair. I'm just cutting off a bit so that I can do a nice little swoop. And then I like to take this pencil flat iron curling iron thing and just kind of put a nice bend in those baby hairs. And then I like to take my mousse to kind of swoop it, I guess. I'm pretty sure you guys know how to lay baby hairs. This is really easy. I just did a little bit of a swoop and I'm still noticing that lace coming up light. So now I'm just going to take my liquid foundation and apply it. Y'all, this really helped. I'm also going to take a bit of this dark root concealer stick. I'm just kind of getting it to match my brows a little bit, but I don't want to change up the style too much. You guys can see it's just a subtle transition that's matching my brows. Not too much has changed, but y'all, let's check out the baby hairs on this one. Is it too much? Is it giving too much? Let me know, y'all. But I'm absolutely loving this color, these curls. Now my unit is in the length 24 inches and I believe the density is 180%. This is how the unit looks on me. Y'all know I am 5'8" and this is where a 24-inch unit falls on me. And of course, let's check out the back of that wig. Is this wig giving summer vibes? Let me know. But what I'm going to do here is throw this unit in a few styles. I thought I did more. Maybe I don't know if I lost a few clips, but y'all, you can do so much with this wig. You can put it up, you can put it in a bun, you can wear it down, you can do whatever you want. Leave a comment down below just letting me know how you plan on wearing your 360.
It takes you 5 minutes.
I am absolutely loving this color. I'm loving the curls. I'm loving just how easy it was to style and to get this unit on. Again, this comes from Ashimary. Let me know what you guys think of this unit and I'll catch you later. Bye guys.